Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel Tech Post. So before I start the video, please do subscribe on our channel. So today I gonna show you one of the greatest and best AI tools, ChatGPT. So how you could use it. In this video I gonna show part by part. Okay, so this is the interface of ChatGPT, and you can see this is the basic and this is ChatGPT plus. If you use ChatGPT plus, you can get more options. So add files, this is the options, is add photos, create design, okay, and many more things, deep research, think longer. So at first I would like to show you how you could translate anything with ChatGPT. Now I asked ChatGPT how I can increase and engage my audience, okay, on my YouTube channel Tech Post. So hello GPT, see, she replied me, okay, I have a YouTube channel which name is Tech Post. Could you please tell me how I increase the subscribers on my channel? Let's see what he will gonna answer us. Wow, that's great. ChatGPT replied, you have a YouTube channel Tech Post and you want to grow subscribers since your niche is tech, and now it will depend on content strategy, SEO consistency, audience engagement. So the first thing is content planning. Wow, that's nice. What to post? Trending tech, news and updates. This is so great. Yes, trending tech, niches and updates are so cool, you know. And how to tutorials. Yes, tech updates and tutorials, step by step guides. You know that ChatGPT for freelancing, how to speed your PC in 5 minutes. These are also cool guys. And tech product reviews, this is amazing. You know, tech products are people very loved, and if you actually reviewed the post and tech gadgets, it will definitely increase your subscribers. And comparison video, tech hacks and tips, okay, that's fine. Now second, optimize every video, title, thumbnail, description, playlist, strategy. Yes, that is very important. Your title, thumbnail, descriptions and text are so important for your video. Title, keywords, cause if your title is not catchy and if your SEO if doesn't so cool, then your video will definitely not going to viral. So title is important, thumbnail is must need to be important. You can make thumbnail with AI, okay. And leverage YouTube shorts. So leverage YouTube shorts is upload daily. Yes, consistency important. Engage with audience, definitely you need to engage with your audience guys, because if your audience are not happy, you will not increase your subscribers. Reapply to apply comment, okay fine. And promote outside YouTube video, consistency, branding, collaboration. So he will ask, would you like to make it for you? No, I don't need. ChatGPT already suggest me the how I increase the subscribers on my channel. So guys, you can see how easily you can use ChatGPT, and it will definitely give you a good result and positive vibes. So if you asked and if you have any query, then definitely ask ChatGPT. You will get a good result and a good solution undoubtedly. And now I am going to finish this video. Please do subscribe my channel Tech Post. Goodbye.